Memano Murikito Steven Nyariki kurwase county ya Nyamira togos kabusyo mwanju murigeria ekerense ya Kenya yekirania ritukorio korende Ebinto Bitoetanaine egwetera haso gosimeka emete nigo bono mobisomane na se wizara yobotari n'ekingiti kiro sana John Olotua aesokire na koboria ho gosimeka kwemete asobonge chinsemo chobotari elio goikera ekerengo yokorende Bitoetanaine kago kwana ekero kyomoyega gosimeka emete asiri tukerigaria mazingira daime skuru yoboroso ya sakwa ensemo ebunge ya Transmara West County ya Narok nigo Olotua kwanero obuya bwoko boso obuya bwokorenga yo kwimokia gosimeka emete ya matunda sechi skuru choboroso elio konya aborki wase chiskuru eganga enene yogosimeka hemete korengana n'umurayibwense Dr. William Ruto yokoene kyabuna wiko mwaka bw'ekirubere na 30 ensengo ikiraniere gosimeka emete chibiloni 15 Bethel Machini agotumanya senchira yobwikirano rikikomi mutinyi komi kero mwaka eme yense ya Kenya neri tukuribekire nsemo ryo Gochengera Ebinto Bitoetanaine asogosimeka emete eryo rimanyikanisha mazingira day na ritukoria rero nenchiremo yo kurichengera ritukeriga nigabo biza aobe serikali banyako bakora asugusimeka emete asukirenge kinene kyo mwako yiga kone kingango simeka bare metas chiskuru chioboroso.
The theme of this day mainly is to really pray more to kapande miti ama fruit trees.
Obisoma nene ase wizara yobotari n'ekingiti choro sana John Olotua nigo aesokire na koboria ogosimeko kwemete asobonge chinsemo chobotari asekerenga kyomotari yomo omoto yomo yokorengana nere yeikiranire asibazimekire mete chiribusana wikirabono iga.
The Ministry of Tourism and Wildlife, we have a program known as One Tourist, One Tree. We began this program as one of the programs to support the initiative of His Excellency Dr. William Ruto on the issues of tree planting. And the purpose is that every tourist who visits Kenya, either to our hotels, to our national parks, our national reserves, and every other place that they go, they have been encouraged to be able to plant tree. I'm very happy to report that during our Magical Kenya Travel Expo, which we just concluded, which ran from 1st to around 3rd of October, which I want to report that we had over 40 countries represented, and of course over 8,000 participants who came there to exhibit their, their businesses and other very important things. They were able, during that time alone, our visitors who came were able to plant over 5,000 trees.
Wokwana asiskuru yoboroso ya sikawe yotoka mea Transmara West County ya Narok nigo Olotua kwa Nairobi yabwekirenga kyo mwako yega gosimeka emete ya matunda asiskuru choboroso erego konya boroki wasiskuru erego ikirania Ebinto ebiga.
The main purpose for this is in about 3 or 4 components. The first component, of course, is to be able to ensure that the national initiative by His Excellency the President of planting at least 15 billion trees is attained. So this is part of a process that will allow us to attain that. Secondly, it is also meant to encourage, sustainability in our schools. You remember, even in our schools, we have school feeding programs, we have issues of hygiene and so on. And planting fruit trees becomes a source of a good health for the children. And that's why the main focus is on the fruit trees, which we have really planted a number of them today as part and parcel of ensuring that we improve the health of the children in the schools.
Asebono egangene usimeke mete korengana n'umurayibwense Dr. William Ruto usimeke mete chibilioni 15 wikiro mwaka bw'ekirubere ne 30.
Sikawa primary ime vizuri kabisa ikwe baraka kubwa sana.
Bono nigo kuborirwa kwa rurwe asikiro yomo kwene kingango simeka aremete.
The third purpose is to also instill responsibility among the students and even the teachers, the parents and the community members to understand that planting trees is a very important thing across the country, because trees give us shade, they protect our soils, they also attract rainfall, and they beautify the environment.
Poteria en Soko TV, Kure County ya Kisii, Bethel Machini.